Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Guess what? We hit 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you guys so much. 1 million kisses to you. Let me hear 5k subscribers. Yes, because also him, I have not subscribed to my channel. Please click on the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate that. So if you love this look like you're seeing right now, if you love this hairstyle, stay tuned as I'll be showing you how I achieved this beauty. See you. Hey loves, so let's get right into today's video. So before now, I washed my hair because I had lots of gel on it, and you guys know how I feel when I have gel on my hair. Like, it feels really uncomfortable sometimes if I have to take it for a long period of time. And then I realized that I have not deep conditioned for a while, so I did that. It was really refreshing for my hair, I must say, because I know how I have always, talked about deep conditioning on my channel, and I feel that I've not even said it enough, because literally the way my hair feels right now when I'm losing it, guys, I wish you could feel how soft it is. It is more shining and just basically so refreshing for me to deep condition my hair. And then I had to trim the ends of my hair. I talked about it in my previous video that I needed to trim the ends of my hair, just to reduce the breaking heads. And guys, look at that length, like it's giving. But shrinkage can betray you sometimes. Like, looking at my hair now, you will know that, oh, it's got length. Shrinkage is really good. I mean, it's like a sign that your hair is healthy, so you don't have to worry about that when your hair is shrinking. So yeah, I got this black rubber band. This is what I'm going to be using for the crochet hair. As you can see, I am putting it in, I'm just putting oil into it so that it won't just tangle with my hair when I'm trying to use it. So I'm going to start with the pattern from the back. Guys, this is like my first time of trying to make crochet on my hair, and you guys will see how it turned out eventually. I really want to ask, how do you guys, pro guys that make hair on your head, how do you manage to make clear patterns? Like, I really want to know. If you have tips, please put it in the comment section, because it wasn't easy for me to get this pattern at the back. I kept using mirror, as you guys can see. I kept using mirror to check back and forth how it is going. And yeah, so here, instead of using gel, I don't know why I just refused to use it. Maybe because I just washed it out. So I used my cream instead to try and define that part. So I'm dividing that pattern into like 4 sides. I'm using the rubber band to hold each of the hair. Do not make the rubber band really tight, because you are still going to insert the crochet hair into that hair, so you might just want to relax about making it too tight. This is what I am doing right now. Okay guys, so while I'm patting my hair, I really want to talk about how effective deep conditioning is. I feel like we don't talk about it often and we just neglect it, but honestly, it's one thing that our hair would really appreciate if we start incorporating it into our hair. It doesn't matter if your hair is relaxed or natural, short, long, whatever texture it is. It's really important for you to deep condition your hair. One of the very good benefits of deep conditioning is that it helps to reduce breakage. I know how worrisome it could be when our hair is breaking, and you just feel like you've done everything, you applied whatever good oil you want to do, and it's still the same thing. I just want to encourage you, from now on, just try and include deep conditioners. What I mean, try and include deep conditioners in your hair routine. When you shampoo your hair, make sure you at least once a week, or maybe twice in 2 weeks, try and deep condition your hair. There are various products out there, very good products from good brands that have deep conditioners that you can use on your hair. Apart from the fact that it reduces the rate at which your hair is breaking, you know, it also gives strength to your hair. And one thing I noticed is that after deep conditioning my hair that day, someone, you know, complimented my hair, and the person was like, my hair is shining. And I just realized that, okay, I actually deep conditioned my hair like some days back. So I mean, it's part of the reason. It just basically makes your hair shine. Like, it's going to be like you added oil to your hair. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So basically, it's just really important for you to deep condition your hair. There are DIY methods. I mentioned that in one of my videos. If you do not want to get products from a store, you can, you know, just browse about it. There are so many do-it-yourself stuff you can use for deep conditioning. So if you notice that your curls aren't popping as they should, I would greatly advise that you try deep conditioning. I mean, it just has a way of reviving your curls. I mean, that shrinkage feeling. If you feel that you need to get your curls back, try and deep condition your hair. Another thing that deep conditioning does is to soften your hair. I'm a living testimony of this, if I may say, because after I did that on my hair, like this hair I'm making, like my hair literally feels so soft, and I'm not even capping, guys. You need to try it. Talking about adding moisture to your hair, guys, deep conditioning helps you to achieve this, and it makes your hair feel so hydrated. When you deep condition your hair often, it helps to lock in moisture. Your hair is going to feel so alive and really healthy. Moisture is really important for the growth of our hair. So guys, don't worry, this is me battling with my leave-in conditioner. I added it to my hair so that, you know, it could just be soft and all of that. So yeah, this is the hair I got. I've had this hair for like 4 months, and I don't know, I just didn't look at it. But this day I was like, come on, let's have this hair, let's try something out with it. So I got, how many packs? I got 3 packs. Am I sure 3 or 4? I think 3 packs, yeah. So at first I had to check out some videos online. I mean, this is my first time, right, trying out this thing. So you have to research. So that's what I did. I checked out videos of people who had done this kind of hair before on themselves, right? Because I'm trying to be a pro too. So I checked it online and I saw different kind of styles. I already have my crochet pin, and that's what I'm going to use also. So yeah, I think that's where I got the idea of trying to first do the rubber band, use the rubber band of my hair first of all. So yeah, as you can see, I am taking the pin into it after separating one strand of that crochet hair. So when I separated it, I'm going to insert it into my hair so that I have one part on the side and another hand on another side. Oh, does that make sense? But you guys can see what I'm doing, right? So that's basically what I mean. So yeah, I took another strand which I unraveled again and I inserted it. So basically the idea behind it is just to twist your hair with, you know, the crochet hair. So at this point, you can either use gel on your hair to make it really sleek. Yeah, so that your hair can just slick down with the hair and not really be popping out and showing and all of that. You get what I mean? So you can use your leave-in conditioner or gel to really slick down. You hold down, okay, I think that's the word, hold down your hair with the crochet hair so that you have a very good outcome. Guys, as I was dividing this hair at some point, I got really tired. At the middle part of my hair, I made the boxes really big. So if you see the back of my hair looking really bigger than the boxes bigger than others, just know that it was at that point I knew that I'd gotten myself into something interesting. So yeah, this is the back of my hair, but I would advise that when you want to do yours, you make sure that the boxes are really tiny so that your hair can, you know, blend with the crochet. So yeah, this is the finished look. I added some accessories and it's really looking beautiful. Guys, just close your eyes. From the past that my hair was not slicking down, you guys understand how we roll, you know. Just focus on the beauty of the hair and the fact that this is my first time of doing this and it came out really beautiful. I intend to make sure that next time, you know, I'll be more patient in parting my hair. But guys, it's not to be. Hey guys, so this is the finished look after all the parting and the twisting. We have the crochet hair twist ready and I am so loving this. Even the blend of colors, I love the fact that it's not just one color. I have black with the dark wine, if I would say, and you know, it's just popping. And you know, I had some accessories as I always do. What do you think about this, guys? Would you be trying it out? Not to forget that you can style it anyhow you want. It's so amazing that this is the first time I'm trying this kind of style of my hair and I absolutely love it. I mean, I've done crochet before. If you watched my previous video, I think I said my experience about crochet, and even though the patterns are not quite, you know, very clear, and I did not make the boxes really small, so my hair might be leaving out a bit. You might be seeing parts of my hair around the back. This is my first time. I tried, right? What do you say? If you're the type that your patterns are not so clear like mine, anyway, it's a journey. So as time goes on, you know, it's going to be perfect. You can also pack other styles that can just mask, you know, the middle part if you feel that, okay, this is not giving you that clear line. So I mean, it's so versatile. You can style it anyhow you want it and you're still going to look fabulous. Thank you guys for joining me today. I don't know, feeling myself. Guys, I really want to read your comments, so please drop it in the comment section. Watch out for my next video to see what look I'll be making again. If you watched to this end, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Like, I am so grateful. Right, so do not forget to subscribe, like this video, please share this video, and yeah, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I drop new videos. It's time to go, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.